Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Talk Help Guide. Today I'm going to teach you how you can import your products from TEMU all the way up to your TikTok shop right here. Now, just to get things clear and straight, you cannot directly link TEMU with your TikTok shop. The best way to link or to import your products from TEMU to your TikTok store is by manually inputting them. So if you already have a TikTok store and you're familiar with how you can publish the items, then it's the same process that you can do with TEMU. For those of you who do not know, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you because I don't have a TikTok shop. But here's what you're gonna do. The first important thing that you need are to complete all the details needed. So you need to have all the complete details in order for you to publish something on TikTok. So for example, what are those details? So for example, let's say the name of the product, let's say grater, multifunctional shredder or grater, like this one. So if that's on your TikTok or on your Temu account, you're gonna put it on TikTok store so that it appears like this. Next, you're gonna want to include the price here as well. And then of course, you're gonna want to input other details about the product. So the features, the description, and some notes as well. All of which you can find on Temu. So yeah, basically what you need to do is you need to input everything one by one manually from Temu to TikTok shop in order for you to properly publish the items or products to your TikTok store. You won't really be necessarily be able to connect Temu with TikTok directly, but you have to do it manually. Hope this video was able to help you out in some way. If it did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll see you again on the next video only here on Talk Help Guy.